You know what's funny about small talk? Most people treat it like the boring opening act, something you tolerate just to get to the good stuff. Deep conversations, real connection. That's what we all want, right? But here's the truth. Every great connection starts with small talk. Even your best friend probably kicked things off with some awkward, "What classes are you taking?" kind of line. Here's the part no one tells you. Small talk isn't about saying the right thing. It's about making the other person feel like a human being, not a background character, not a task, just seen. And to do that, you don't need charm or a cheat code. You just need one thing: active observation. Sounds nerdy, I know, but stay with me. It's about paying real attention, not to someone's vibe, but to what's actually in front of you. Their shirt, their drink, the way they keep checking the time like they're planning an escape. Notice that. Then say something about it. Something that invites a reply but doesn't demand one. Why does this work? First, people love to feel seen, not in some deep emotional way, just in the simple, "Hey, you exist and I noticed" way. Second, it lowers the pressure. You're not interviewing them. You're just tossing a ball to see if they'll toss it back. Example, you're at a cafe. Someone's holding a beat-up book. Most would ask, "What are you reading?" Sounds polite, but it's a little loaded. Try, "That book looks like it's been through some things." Boom, no pressure, but it opens a door. Or at a party, someone walks by with suspicious-looking food. Say, "Is that the chicken? Looks like it fought back." Funny, simple, zero pressure. This works everywhere. Dates, meetings, family dinners. It's not about being clever. It's about noticing something real and commenting on it. But here's the key. To get good at this, you've got to train your brain to see. That means looking up from your phone and being present. Observe like a detective. What are they wearing? How are they standing? Do they seem nervous? Bored? Then speak. Don't overthink it. Most people are too wrapped up in their own heads to notice if you sound weird. Just say what you see. Bright yellow jacket. That's a bold choice. I respect it. That's it. Door open. If they walk through, great. If not, no harm done. You're not trying to force a moment, just offer one. Once you get the hang of it, small talk becomes fun. A game. You stop trying to impress people and start connecting with them. Think about the last time someone noticed something about you and genuinely mentioned it, not to flatter, but because they actually saw it. Feels good, right? That's what you're giving when you observe and comment with intention. You're at a Halloween party. Someone has a tie covered in rubber ducks. Most say, "Nice tie." You say, "Okay, what's the story behind the ducks?" That one line makes them feel interesting. Shoes? Those look way too clean to be comfortable. Coffee? That's a lot of whipped cream for someone not celebrating. Their dog? He looks like he silently judges people. I respect that. Only one rule. Mean it. People can smell fake a mile away. Be genuinely curious, even for 30 seconds. That's enough. A lot of introverts think small talk is shallow, but it's not. Not if you're actually paying attention. It's the first layer. Peel it back, and people become fascinating, even when they're talking about nothing. So next time you're stuck in a line, a meeting, a party, try this. Look around. Notice something. Make a comment. Worst case, nothing. Best case, you just made someone feel seen. And when you start doing that more often, you realize small talk isn't small at all. It's a superpower, and all it takes is paying attention and caring, even for just a moment.